Hey everybody, I'm super excited because this is my favorite time of the year. Less than a month until Christmas. If you're anything like me, you're always looking for ways to make your smart home smarter, more convenient, and let's be totally honest, super cool. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be working in the automation with some super cool lights. These Twinkly 600 LED lights that are going to go on my Christmas tree. Now you're probably thinking, Josh, these are just Christmas lights, but that couldn't be further from the truth. These things are highly customizable. You can scan them with your smartphone, creating a 3D map, and they are super responsive. You have these pretty close together, so when you're mapping them, it's really seamless across the Christmas tree or other location you place these. Now, this is where the real magic is going to happen. We're going to utilize the app and connect these lights to our Wi-Fi and map them. So let's check this thing out. First, I got started in the app. I'm going to look for the device utilizing Bluetooth. I was able to connect the lights. I connected them to my Wi-Fi. I'm going to update the firmware. I'm going to save it as Christmas tree. I'm going to map the lights. So let's see how this works. I'm allowed to use the camera. I'm going to try the cone. And that was pretty easy. Basically, just keep on walking around your tree until you don't have a lot of red or orange or yellow spots. And as you can see, basically all of my lights are green, which means they have a really good idea of where they're at on the tree. So now that we got to the finalized step, let's finalize and get layout. And as you can see, the mapping on the tree is matching the mapping on the phone in the app. So definitely was able to map everything. So I'm going to save it and apply it. And immediately we can put different designs on the tree. So let's check some of these out. Let's try the magic band, see what that looks like. That looks pretty neat. The magic rainbow. So it's skipping different sections and going around and decorating with the rainbow. So that's pretty neat. Let's see the 3D flags. So we have some red, white, and blue. Definitely in the US, we could have something like this for our patriotic holidays here. How about the bright twinkle? You can also edit the colors on these. So if you go in and want like a blue and white, or if you want it to be green that twinkles, you can go in and make all those changes. Here's a candy cane. That's a pretty neat one. I like that one for Christmas. And this molten rainbow is pretty neat. I like that one. But I'm all about smart home automation utilizing one system primarily, and that's Home Assistant. So let's jump into Home Assistant and go to the devices. And you can see immediately it found the Twinkly devices. So let's add those and submit. The device name is Christmas Tree. So it already knows that. I'm going to put it in Christmas and hit finish. And just like that, we have the Christmas tree as well as the modes. These twinkly lights are absolutely amazing. The 3D mapping is so cool.